In this world, our lives and work are closely related to heavy industry. It supports our economic and social progress, and it also changes our environment and way of life. Kingda is a company specializing in heavy industry, integrating design, manufacturing, sales, and service. Kingda Pump Group Company Limited, a leader in China's slurry pump industry. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality and high-performance pump products and services. Since the establishment in 1948, Kingda has set innovation development as our business goal and constantly led the development and progress of the industry. It is a base for large-scale slurry pumps, sewage pumps, desulfurization pumps, dredging pumps, and shield pumps that integrates research and development, design, production, manufacturing, and sales. The factory of Kingda covers an area of over 114,000 square meters. The factory is designed according to the characteristics of the production process and a reasonable layout to ensure the rapid and orderly flow of materials and achieve efficient production. Model Workshop of Kingda. The casting model is processed using CNC machine tools, which can effectively ensure the manufacturing accuracy of the model and meet the design requirements. Casting Workshop. Castings are produced using resin sand molding, and our company is equipped with 6 continuous sand mixing machines with a single machine sand mixing capacity of 40 tons per hour. There are 10 intermediate frequency induction furnaces for smelting with a maximum casting weight of 38 tons. 2 automatic sand processing lines for molding sand regeneration with a single line processing capacity of 25 tons per hour. 5 shot blasting cleaning machines and 1 sandblasting room, capable of handling the largest single piece of blank weight. 5 trolley-type heat treatment furnaces, which can meet the requirements for soft and hard heat treatment of parts weighing less than 30 tons. From modeling, casting, pressing, cleaning, to heat treatment, every process strictly follows the process requirements and the quality of the products is trustworthy. CAE simulation technology can accurately simulate the entire pouring process, adopting advanced temperature field, flow field, and stress field algorithms. The simulation calculation results of mold filling, solidification, thermal stress are more accurate. The filling analysis, solidification analysis, and stress analysis of castings can be visually displayed to avoid casting defects and ensure casting quality. The machining workshop gathers over 100 cutting machines from manufacturers such as Mazak, Leadwell, Honor, Ixometry, and Chi-Chi-Har No. 2 machine tool. The equipment is characterized by large-scale, automation, and specialization. Among them, there are 3 vertical lathes that can process workpieces with a diameter of 8,000 millimeters, and more than 20 large CNC equipment such as floor boring and milling centers, gantry drilling and milling centers, and turning and milling machining centers. They can process large workpieces such as pump shells, brackets, and bearing bodies, ensuring precision and achieving clean production. The customized series of vertical and horizontal dynamic balancing machines can achieve high precision detection and calibration of impeller dynamic balance below 16,000 kilograms, effectively reducing the vibration and noise of water pump operation, improving the service life of bearings, and reducing power consumption. After processing, cleaning, and strict inspection, products will be transported to assembly workshop by electric flat cars. The assembly process is specialized, and the workshop is equipped with a constant temperature, enclosed and dust-free bearing assembly room to ensure clean and pollution-free bearing assembly. The assembly process of each set of bearing components must be tested to ensure that the bearing assembly clearance meets the tolerance requirements. The final assembly area is divided according to the large, medium, and small pumps, and the area is clean and logistics is in order. The workshop is equipped with more than 10 overhead cranes of 50 tons and below, which can meet the requirements for product lifting. The workshop is equipped with large high-pressure and low-pressure test pumping stations with testing accuracy reaching level 1 of the GBT 3216. There are multiple vertical and horizontal installation positions with a maximum test power of 3,000 kilowatts and a flow range of 0 to 37,000 cubic meters per hour and a lift of 0 to 1,000 meters. The workshop is equipped with a closed painting line, which adopts activated carbon adsorption plus catalytic combustion device level 2 treatment technology to effectively purify VOC gas to meet environmental requirements and meet the consumer's demand for characterization of product painting. Application scenario. Our pump products are widely used in 6 major fields: mining, shield tunneling, dredging, environmental protection, petrochemical, and metallurgy. We provide customized solutions to customers to help them improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure safety. Whether it's mineral processing, tunnel construction, river dredging, desulfurization, petrochemical, or smelting, our slurry transportation solution is the most reliable choice. Our products and services are global-oriented. We have a perfect pre-sales, sales, and after-sales service system. Internal structure of our group. The International Business Department is responsible for exploring the international market, developing and operating international projects, and showcasing our high-quality products and services on various platforms. In order to meet the constantly changing market demands, the technical department always masters the trend of innovation. The procurement department ensures the high-quality supply of our raw materials and components. The order processing center provides customers with thoughtful services throughout the entire process. They closely monitor the production process and supervise the quality, quantity, and delivery time with the highest efficiency. The after-sales department provides customers with fast and efficient after-sales service. Each department provides an important support for the company's development, and they provide customers with meticulous service with their professionalism and enthusiasm. Our company is not only an enterprise with technological innovation, production capacity, and comprehensive services, but also a team with diverse cultures and vitality. Our corporate culture integrates international elements and local elements. As a company that values corporate culture, we adhere to the concept of co-creation, win-win, co-shoulder, and shared, and are committed to creating a united, harmonious, and energetic work environment. We focus on employee training and career development, building platforms and opportunities to provide employees with good working and living conditions. Kingda promised to always uphold the concept of customer first, together with Kingda for safe production and efficient operation. Kingda looks forward to working together with you to create a better future.